Web for Pentester 2, MongoDB injections. Even in MongoDB is a NoSQL database, it's still possible to write vulnerable code, and therefore this exercise features 2 NoSQL injections. If you want to try them on your own, try to follow those steps that are displayed right there on the site. For example number 1, this example is the MongoDB version of the infamous quote or 1 equals 1 dash dash. If you remember what we saw previously, we know what we'll need things to bypass this login form, an always true condition, and a way to correctly terminate the NoSQL query. By first reading MongoDB documentation, we can find that the SQL or 1 equals 1 equals translates to differential 1 equals 1. Then by poking around, we can see a null byte will prevent from MongoDB using the rest of the query. We can also use comments to comment out the end of the query. With this information, we can bypass this authentication form. So right here, you see on the payload from the username, we've put the one we want. For password, we can put whatever we want, and if we click submit at success, we have broken into the first example. Example number 2. And this one, we'll try to retrieve more information from the NoSQL database using a bit of guesswork or previous knowledge of the application. We can deduce that there's probably a password field. We can play around to confirm that guess if we access those sites. Actually, I'm gonna try it to see if we can, but we just have to keep it. We just have to swap out this, and you see we have admin. We can see result, we get an error, okay. But as you see, there's passwords here, so yeah, we don't know that there's password file there. Now we need to wait to perform applying injection since we have 2 states, no result when the regular expression does not match something false state, and 1 result when the regular expression matches something, a true state. Using its knowledge, we can script the exploitation to guess admin password. We will first ensure that the matching is done by correctly using upper and $sign to make sure we do not match characters in the middle of the string, otherwise iterating will be far harder. So yeah. So after running the script, we get all these results right here, and the resulting password is anhaspassword. And that will conclude our Web for Pentester 2 MongoDB section of the lab.